This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming merchant account and domain verification so your listings can appear. Do that first. Next, prepare a product feed using CSV, Google Sheets, or the Content API. Include ID, title, description, price, availability, GTIN. While uploading, set tax and shipping rules and confirm business info in Merchant Center. Once done, switch on automatic fetch or schedule manual uploads, and review feed diagnostics for immediate errors before moving to linking and campaign setup. Now link Merchant Center to Google Ads and enable conversion tracking so you can measure performance. This is crucial for bidding. Create a smart or standard shopping campaign. Choose budget, bidding strategy, locations and ROAS or max CPC targets. Organize product groups by brand, category, or custom labels to control bids. Subdivide high-value SKUs. Also add negative keywords and exclude low-margin items. While campaigns run, monitor impressions, clicks, and diagnostic warnings to refine feed and bid structure. Finish by reviewing diagnostics and policy alerts. Fix disapproved items in the feed and then request review so listings go live. Optimize titles, images, GTIN, and pricing to improve click-through rate and apply custom labels for seasonal or margin-based bidding. Once live, adjust bids using performance data and test audiences and remarketing. If things go wrong, check diagnostics for attribute mismatches or policy flags. Resolve the specific attribute or compliance issue, reupload the feed, and request.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.